What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Buds. These are the limited time offer version that basically came with the pre-order. It took a while to get here, but here it is guys. In this video I'm simply unboxing the Galaxy Buds, and I'm doing the setup process, and I'm also doing a little bit of a audio test to see how they sound and stuff. Uh, I compare these to the Bose Sports Free, and I got to go with the Bose on this one. But these are not that bad. If anything, they're closer to the wired headphones that comes in the box with the Samsung Galaxy S10. But I don't know. If any of you guys have this, let me know what your opinion is. As for me, I wasn't that impressed with the audio quality or anything else. I like the fact that you can wirelessly charge the buds with the reverse wireless charging share on the S10. I also like the fact that you get notifications, like whenever you can set it up to the point where whenever you get a notification, you can hear it through the earbuds, and just little tiny little features like that that I like about it. But overall, I wasn't too impressed with it. It's okay. I wouldn't say they're better than the AirPods, even though those are trash as well. But they're not better than the AirPods, or not that much better. Maybe slightly better, but they're not a major improvement over, the quality, the sound quality on the AirPods. The AirPods, another thing is that there's a lot of bass. This does not have a lot of bass. So, if you're into hip hop and heavy bass kind of music, you probably wouldn't like this because they're not very heavy on the bass. So that's just my opinion on this, guys. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every little views, every little thumbs up, comment, or subscribers that I get, guys. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. And I forgot to mention that these are type C, so if you're not using the reverse wireless charging, you can always use the charger from your Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus to charge these, which are very good as well, which are one of the features that I really appreciate, guys. Well, that's it. See you.